Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a lemon bundt cake my way. And what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using this cake mix, and it's very easy if you follow like the directions on the back. But wait, this is my way, so I'm not going to go by these directions. I'll have this video in 3 parts. The first part will be I'll show you how to make the batter for the cake. The second part will be a homemade lemon cream cheese frosting. The third part will be the finished product and plating up. And I'll go ahead and show you how it come out. But go ahead and get started. And I'll just explain the ingredients as I'm going and putting them in. Of course, you need a mixing bowl. This is what I have, and I have a hand mixer, so I'm going to be using that. What we're going to do is put in the lemon cake mix first. Never does want to open. Just pour this in the bowl. Then I'm going to be adding a lemon jello pudding mix. To the bowl. Put the mix in there. Then I'm going to be adding 1 cup of oil. This is vegetable oil here. Going to be adding 4 eggs. One-half cup warm water. One cup of sour cream. And the sour cream with the fat in it works better on this. Just thought I'd point that out. Now I have 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Put that in. And I got my buddy Forky here. He's helping me. He's got the lemon extract. And you want 1 teaspoon of this. Just add that. And that's it. Now what I'm going to do is take the mixer, my hand mixer, and mix this all up. And just mix it on low because you don't want anything flying around. This is really easy to make. It's not hard, and it's just a real good, delicious cake. And you can turn up the speed as it smooths out, but you want it all smoothed out without any lumps or anything in it. Got a few lumps, but it'll be all right. That looks pretty good. Back in the day, me and my brother would fight over this to see who got to lick the lick the little beater things what goes in here. One of us would get the beater, the other one get the bowl. Me, I always liked the bowl because I thought there was more. Go ahead and see if I can get these out without making a mess. And I did. Not make a mess, but I did get it out. Okay, now what I've got here is I've got a bundt cake pan. What I've already sprayed with spray, and the spray what I used is this bacon spray with flour. So if you don't have this, you need to put some flour around it. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pour the batter in. Give me another spoon. See if I can just pour this batter in here without making a mess. Oh yeah, it's coming around pretty good. I think that's good enough. Now, as you see, I've left some in there so that me and Forky can go ahead and have some of this batter. Get some of this off here. Now what you want to do, just take this and kind of make sure no air bubbles are in it, and it's ready to be put in the oven. And that's the cake. Now this is going to bake in the oven at 350 degrees for anywhere between 50 and 55 minutes. And the way you can tell if a cake is done or not, once you bring it out, is take a toothpick and just stick it in the cake in several places. And if it comes out clean, then it's done. If it comes out and you got residue and stuff on that toothpick, then you need to let it bake a little more. So, got my, oh, and there my oven's ready. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven. And once I get it out of the oven, you want to bring this cake and just let it sit for about 15 minutes. Let it cool down. Don't try to get it out right when it, after it bakes. Let it cool. Let it cool in the pan. And then transfer it to like a cookie shape, like a baking rack, like a what you make the cookies on. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. One of these like a cooling rack. If you don't have one of them, then just let it cool completely and then put it on a pan. This is Scogget. I'll have the second video coming up after I get the cake baked and it cools off and everything. And I'll show you how to make the lemon cream cheese frosting, what I'm going to put on the cake. And like I say, the third part will be the finished product. I'll have it decorated and we'll cut into it and see how well I did. This is Scogget. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. I hope you give this a try and y'all take care.